not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exam. I have launched a giveaway for valuable subscribers. The first lucky winner of the giveaway was announced on Tuesday. The next lucky winner will be announced on coming Tuesday. If you want to participate in the giveaway, just follow the 5 instructions mentioned in the giveaway video. First question, which country inducted its first non-tethered deep submergence rescue vehicle system? Pakistan, Sri Lanka, India or China? The answer is C, India. India has inducted its first non-tethered deep submergence rescue vehicle system at the Naval Dockyard in Mumbai. This DSRV system is used to rescue the crew members from submarines stranded underwater in high seas. It can rescue almost 14 persons at a time. The operating depth is 650 meters and the cost of one such system is 1000 crore. Which of the following is the country's premier counter-terrorist and contingency force? NSG, CRPF, BSF or SSB? The answer is A. NSG is the country's premier counter-terrorist and contingency force. National Security Guard was raised in the year 1984 following Operation Blue Star and the assassination of Indira Gandhi. It combats the terrorist activities with a view to protect states against the internal disturbances. In 2008 Mumbai attacks, NSG delay in reaching the site. Many criticized the non-availability of separate air wings for the force. Now parliamentary panel recommends the centre to ensure that the NSG is equipped with its own dedicated air wing. Substitution of one form of punishment for a lighter form is termed as pardon, commutation, remission or respite. The answer is B, commutation. Very important topic from polity. Do remember each and every term has a different meaning. Kerala's man's death penalty has been commuted to rigorous life imprisonment. Now, Article 72 empowers the President to grant pardons to persons. Remember this article, very important. Now, the pardoning power of the President includes the following. Pardon means the free from all punishments, all sentences and disqualifications. Remission means reducing the period of punishment without changing its character. For example, the sentence of rigorous imprisonment for 2 years may be remitted to rigorous imprisonment for 1 year. Respite is awarding lesser sentence in place of original. This is seen in cases such as physical disability of convict or the pregnancy of a woman offender. Reprieve is the stay of execution of the sentence, especially that of the death, for a temporary period. So remember all these points, very important from exam point of view. Who became the first Indian to win a breakthrough table tennis star award? Manika Batra, Mouma Das, Ankita Das or Madhurika Patkar? The answer is A, Manika Batra. She is the first Indian to win a breakthrough table tennis star award for the year 2018. The Star Awards has been held by International Table Tennis Federation in Incheon of South Korea. Manika Batra is the top-ranked female table tennis player in India, born in Delhi in the year 1995. Remember, Manika won the first ever gold medal in table tennis at the Commonwealth Games 2018. Japan picks which of the following character to define 2018? Gold, disaster, north or quake? The answer is B, disaster. Now, the year 2018 is termed by the word disaster as the country was hit by the deadly floods, earthquake and the storms. The word for the 2017 was termed as North following a series of North Korean missile launches, and the word for 2016 was Gold, which defines the celebration of Japanese athletes at the Rio Olympics. So remember all these words picked up every year by the country Japan. NASA's InSight lander, designed to dig deep into the rocky surfaces of which of the following bodies? Jupiter, Mars, Moon or Earth? The answer is B, Mars. Very important topic from science and technology. The InSight lander takes the first selfie on the planet Mars. Remember the full form of the InSight, the interior exploration using seismic investigations, geodesy and heat transport mission. The InSight lander is a robotic lander designed to study the deep interior of the planet Mars, which was launched on May 5th, 2018, and the landing date of the InSight lander was 26th of November 2018. Which team won the gold medal at 2016 Olympics in field hockey? Argentina, Netherlands, Belgium or Australia? The answer is A, Argentina. Now you need to have a brief idea of 2016 Rio Olympics, as questions might appear in exams in these areas until we have the next 2020 Tokyo Olympics. Remember, Argentina won the gold medal for the first time in 2016 Rio Olympics field hockey. Now the ongoing 2018 Hockey World Cup, England beats the Olympic champion Argentina and books their place into the semi-finals. India never defeated which of the following team in the Hockey World Cup so far? England, Australia, Netherlands or Belgium? The answer is C, Netherlands. Indian team never defeated the Netherlands team in the Hockey World Cup so far. Now the 2018 Hockey World Cup, Indian team faces the Netherlands team in the quarterfinal clash. Very crucial match. Let's hope that India defeats the Netherlands in this match. Now once let's look at the India-Holland stance. Now Holland is a previous name for the Netherlands. Holland beats India in each and every World Cup match that they faced. Let's hope that India creates history and confirms a berth in the semi-final. Let's see the question for the day. Which of the following player awarded with the title Mythoi, which is also known as the Par Excellence Queen? PV Sindhu, Sakshi Malik, MC Mary Kom or Hima Das? Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for yesterday's question. Which state has the highest number of international airports in India? Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Kerala or Madhya Pradesh? The answer is C, Kerala, as rightly answered by few people, Sushil Kumar, Ram Janjirala and Malesh Myakala. Get your answers right. The answer is not Uttar Pradesh but C, Kerala. Now, Kannur International Airport has been recently inaugurated by the Chief Minister of Kerala and the Civil Aviation Minister Suresh Prabhu. So, as of now, there are total 4 number of international airports in the state of Kerala. Thank you all guys for following my videos and do participate in the giveaway. Let's see the quote for the day. Great things are done by the series of small things brought together. Now each and every day without a miss consistently spend some time in studying, because each and every day you studied adds up at the last. It will be helpful for you all in clearing the big exams. So this is it for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.